2 times instead of 3, you went too far, yeah.
We are at Ben Sheppard Elementary School. It is one of our STEM magnet schools here in Miami-Dade County Public School. Today we were able to witness 4th and 5th graders trying their hand at coding.
The students are working on code.org, and today specifically we are working on the hour of code.
Basically you have to code so you could get the diamond.
It goes from very beginning, like basic 2nd graders can start working on it, and it teaches them more with pictures, and then it works their way up and getting a little bit more difficult with words.
When we think about coding, we may think specifically about robots or coding a website, but when we think about this day and age and what we have at our fingertips, from the phones, from the machines that we use at the grocery stores, everything requires coding.
We know that there are a lot of high demand jobs that require coding, and we like to expose our students to things that get them thinking about what they want to do in the future.
Some people create their own games, some people create like little videos of coding, and I think it's really fun, and I want to be able to learn more about it. Well, I'm still on the lessons, I'm not doing my game yet.
We know that when kids love what they're learning in school, they're excited about coming to school. Students that come to Ben Sheppard want to stay in Ben Sheppard. They don't want to transfer out. We're actually in our application window, so families that are looking for a program for August of 2025 are invited to apply to Ben Sheppard for the STEM programming or any of our 119 schools district-wide.